Who doesn't like to start their day with a cup of hot tea, which is refreshing? More often than not, we tend to ignore this tea strainer, which are very important, and end up abusing them. Today's tip, I'm going to share how you can revive them and give them a new life. For this, I'm going to put the tea strainers in a bowl and add hot water into it. The water should be very hot. Be careful. Now after you add the water, add few drops of dishwashing liquid and let it soak for half an hour or 1 hour. After it has soaked nicely, now I am going to do the scrubbing. For scrubbing, I am taking toothpaste and a brush. So the brand and type doesn't matter. Any toothpaste would do. Now take ample amount of toothpaste and start scrubbing with your toothbrush. It takes a couple of minutes depending on how dirty your tea strainer is. It's always better to revive your old tea strainer rather than buying new one and adding more wastage on the planet Earth. So you're going to scrub it nicely. While you're scrubbing, you can also take any object with a sharp pointed end like a toothpick, a pin or a clip and start scrubbing the corners. You would be surprised the amount of dirt, the amount of tea which is accumulated here. Look at that. Another easy hack for scrubbing is you scrub and then dip. Scrub and then dip. What this does is this cleans up all of the debris that you're brushing and pushing forward. So this way you would be able to clean your tea strainer in no time and you would have a brand new tea strainer once again. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.